Hello and welcome to Down the Shore Homestead. If you remember correctly, in my introduction video, I did not have the greenest of thumb. So I did a lot of research and I started a bunch of seeds and they've all successfully germinated for the most part. I think I had like 2 or 3 that did not. My onions were doing pretty good, and then I noticed that little shoots that were like dying. I don't know if you can see it right here. You see that shoot right there? It's like dead. The tops are nice and green, but the bottoms are starting to get kind of skinny. After more research, I realized that they're probably dampened off. I probably overwatered them because I do have an oscillating fan on them. Like this back one here is actually doing really well, but some other ones are not. So I really believe that they've gotten too much water. So I'm going to add cinnamon to help negate this. This is supposed to prevent the damping off from completely destroying my plant. Cover the tops of each plant with some cinnamon. I told you, again, I did not have the greenest of thumb, but I am getting better. So I would say it's light green right now. We'll see how the rest of the season goes. Again, if you find this channel helpful at all, hopefully we can all learn together. Put in comments below if you have any questions for me or any advice would be helpful. And Rocco, say hi, buddy.